In this video, I'll show you how to create a group in Trello. So open up your Trello. So in Trello, if you love to create a group, it's called Workspace. So click on Account. You're going to be able to see your workspace, guest workspaces. So if you have not created your own workspace, click on your workspace. You can be able to create yours. So because I've created mine, and I would love to add up my team members, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my workspace. You're going to be able to see this woman icon at the top. Click on it. So you can come on here and manually add up or invite your team members with their name, their mail, or their username. So once you're done, you're going to be able to add up all of them. So you can see I'm currently the admin and I can manage a group team of 10 people. So there's just one person here. So if you click on invite, you can be able to come on here and add up them manually. So once you're done, you can be able to come on here. You can see your boards, and from the boards, you can be able to see your cards as well. You can be able to see from the boards, you can be able to see different cards here as well. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.